Since 1929, the Oscar Statuette has become the most coveted award in Hollywood film industry. But there was a big problem with it: the award itself. The Oscars are not solid gold, they are just gold-plated. Trophy manufacturer R.S. Owens held the contract for creating Oscars for over 3 decades. They were cast in tin, but plated using standard methods. But for years, the Academy Award winners have had to bring their Oscars back to the Academy to have them replated, due to the fact that they were losing their luster.
Have to take care of it, have to maintain it.
As you can imagine, this gets expensive. After doing it for almost 90 years and handing out around 24 awards a year, the Academy realized that they needed a more durable gold plating process for their Oscars. NASA realized decades ago that gold reflected much more UV radiation than other metal competitors, while absorbing a quite bit of visible light. And its heavy atomic weight lets it soak up more visible light before heating to any harmful extent. So it is an ideal material for protecting electronics and keeping temperatures stable in extreme environments. NASA has had the same problems with gold that everyone else did. It is known to be soft and fragile, and with time, it loses its shine. This is a huge problem with its efficiency over a long period of time, as it will affect the performance of satellites, and if it is ever to tear in space, it could render an instrument useless. Epner Technology Inc. in the 80s and 90s was developing the proprietary laser gold process that promised making gold 3 times stronger, and it would never lose its luster. They were working with the manufacturer Xerox to use their gold in their copy machines. Somehow, NASA heard about this process they had developed, and in 1996, contracted Epner to make a mirror for the NASA Mars Global Surveyor. Essentially, it was a camera satellite that mapped the surface of Mars. It was the start of a long relationship. As Epner's gold never flaked, lost its luster, or strength, they began to garner more NASA contracts to plate components on telescopes, such as the James Webb Telescope and the Keck Observatory, with the gold boasting a 99.4 reflectivity and a 24-karat gold finish to achieve the highest infrared reflectivity. Fast forward to 2016, and the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences won it in. Epner guaranteed the gold would never come off and offered to replate the awards for free for the life of the award.
A few weeks ago, we were plating components for the James Webb Space Telescope. That same gold this week was put onto a figure that will make us famous.
So, when you watch the Academy Awards this year, the award winners will be going home with the same gold plating that has been sent to space for the last 20+ years.
I thank you all for this amazing award tonight. Let us not take this planet for granted. I do not take tonight for granted. Thank you so very much.